We need to talk about the elephant in the room. Everywhere you look, there's a new headline about AI replacing developers. And it's hard not to let that imposter syndrome creep in. You start asking yourself, am I doing enough? Am I technical enough? Am I falling behind? But here's the part most people get wrong. The goal isn't to compete with AI. The goal is to be the person who knows how to direct it. Being irreplaceable as a developer isn't about memorizing syntax anymore. It's about your taste, your judgment, and how well you adapt when things change. And one mindset shift matters more than anything else right now. Irreplaceable developers don't lock themselves into one way of working. The AI landscape changes fast. One week, a model from one company is the best. The next week, a completely different model is leading the charts. If your workflow only lets you use one default AI model, you're quietly putting a ceiling on how far you can grow. I realized this the hard way. That's why I changed how I work and started using KiloCode. What I like is not just that it's open source, but that I'm not married to a single model. I can choose what makes sense for the task I'm doing. If I'm dealing with a complex architecture problem, I can use a large reasoning model with a huge context window that actually understands big codebases. If I just need something fast, I switch. That flexibility matters. Being irreplaceable means having the autonomy to pick the best brain for the job, not just the one your coding agent forces on you. You stop thinking in terms of tools and you start thinking in terms of outcomes. And once you work like that, you're no longer just someone who writes code. You're someone who knows how to adapt, how to make good decisions, and how to stay relevant even as the tools keep changing. That's what actually makes a developer hard to replace. Remember this, you belong in this industry. Don't fight the tools. Use the ones that give you freedom and help you think better. I'll see you in the next one.